Hello each and everyone, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will, gonna give you another great one today. I'm gonna be doing some fish today. The fish that I'm working with, it's basa, not my favorite, but there's a friend who asked me, how do you get your flavors in this fish? Because it doesn't have much flavor. If you know basa, it doesn't have much flavor. It's not a fish that I'm fond of. But I'm gonna pan sear it today. I'm gonna add some spices to it. Guess what? We're gonna get some flavors in it today. All right, we'll see. So this is the fish right here, the basa. It's frozen fish. I thawed out and I cut them in half. I only got 3 pieces here, but I cut them in half. So and dry them nicely. It has a lot of water. This fish is more watery than anything else. So I got some spices right here. I just dump a bunch of spices in this bowl right here, guys. I got onion powder in there, garlic powder, I got fish spices in there, I got Cajun. You know, that's how you gotta do it to get some flavor into this fish. I'm just gonna use a little bit of olive oil over this fish right here before we marinate it. Get it marinated, guys. So just dump that on there. Gonna rub all this oil right into the fish. Just like that. Then all the spices right here, just gonna blend them nicely together so we can coat the fish with all the spices here. And I'm just gonna distribute this evenly over the fish. Yeah, beautiful pieces of fish, but it's not the best fish if you're looking for flavor, guys. All right. Flip them over. And I also have some paprika in there too, guys. Beautiful. That should do it. Rub in that spice nicely. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper right over it just before I get it in the pan. And I'm gonna be serving this fish with some pearl couscous. While your fish is pan searing, just drop a couple pieces of butter inside. Gives it a nice color and it brings out the flavor into the fish. Remember, this fish doesn't have much flavor, guys. Alright? So just drop a piece of butter in there. Get it right around on these pan seared fish right here. So just remove those fish. Put a little bit of butter in there, some lemon juice, piece of garlic. gonna pour this right over the fish. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get the pan-seared fish right on top of the pearl couscous right now, just like that. And I got some beautiful salsa right here. I'm gonna be serving. Right inside of some avocado. It's a half of a avocado I got right there. Just stack some right inside there. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put another piece right on my plate right there. Just for garnish. And we're gonna do this. Nice piece of sweet potato right here. Just gonna tuck that right inside. Now we need some green on that plate. Pop the colors right there. And that's how you do it. Couple pieces of lemon would be great on there as well. Alright, so I'm just cutting some lemon right here, guys. We're gonna just put this lemon right on the plate right here. Alright. Looking wonderful. And that's how you do it. That's a beautiful pan-seared fish right there, guys. If you take a look at it, looking lovely. I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos, and I appreciate all of you guys who subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Catch you in the next one.